Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Laurencyia Monaye, and today I'm going to show y'all how I got this cute color. It's like an orange, auburn, copper color. I don't really know what to call it, but if you want to see how I got this color, keep on watching. So I'm starting off with this 613 wig that I got from Yolissa here that I previously dyed pink, and I made a video on it. If you have not seen that video, make sure you go back and watch it, because what are you doing? So I'm just starting off by cleaning the glue off. Y'all, I never clean the glue off my wigs when I first take them off, because I just snatch them off and put them away. I'm trying to get better at that. So anyways, just to take the glue off, I just sit the lace in some really hot water for about 15 minutes, and as y'all see, the glue comes right off. It peels right off. You can use your fingers, but honestly, you'll see in the next clip, I just used a towel to kind of help me, and this took only like 5 minutes to do. So now we're going to start the process of stripping the pink out of the wig. So to do this, you need some dish soap, some shampoo, and some baking soda. And you just mix all of this into some hot water. Really, I should have put everything in the bucket first and then put the water in. I did it backwards, and y'all gonna see I'm trying to mix it with my hand, and I'm pretty much burning myself. Yeah, so the water didn't come out as sudsy as I wanted it to this time, but the second go around it did. But you know, we gonna make it work. So once all this is mixed, I'm gonna just dip the hair into this little mixture or whatever, and I let it sit for like 20 minutes, 15 to 20 minutes I think, and then I come back and just repeat this process about 4 times. So this is what it looks like after the first rinse. It took a decent amount of it out. As you can see, it is still really pink, but the top is really blonde, and it has some blonde streaks in there. So this is what I was saying. This is how I wanted the water to be the first time. So I'm doing the same thing, just dipping it in there a few times, then leaving it in for about 15 to 20 minutes. And then I'm going to come back and show y'all what it looks like after I did this like 4 times, like I said. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing. So here are the results after the 4 times. I really could have did it a 5th time, but I was honestly tired. But it came out really well though. It really went back to 613. Here are the colors that I used. I mostly used Paprika, but let's start dyeing this wig. So starting off with Paprika, like I said, I just used that whole bottle of it. I just emptied the whole thing in there. I put the water in there, flush it out, make sure I'm getting all that color out, and I mix that in. Then after this, you're going to see I'm going to use about half of the bottle of the copper brown in there, and then I'm gonna stir that up, and then you'll see me do my test strip. And once again, this is really hot water, and you really want to make sure that you're mixing all that color around so you don't have any clumps or chunks of color, because that can get on your wig and it's gonna look crazy. So here I am doing my test strip, and I just wanted it a little more rich in color and just a little bit darker. So I add like
a squeeze of that cinnamon color and then like a sprinkle of the copper brown. I know that's a real bad analogy, but y'all, it made a difference. Y'all gonna see when I do the second test strip, okay? Just watch what I do, please. Alright, so boom, like I said, a sprinkle of that copper brown. Y'all see, there's the sprinkle, and a squeeze of the cinnamon. Look, watch this. A squeeze, that's it, that's all. So here I am doing my second test patch, and I like the color. So y'all gonna see I'm just about to submerge the whole wig. Make sure that you spray the lace down with some Got2b spray. I did like 3 to 4 layers of spray, blow dried it in between, just so that the watercolor didn't stain the lace, and it really didn't stain the lace. So after I do that, y'all see I'm just dipping the whole thing in. I let it sit for like 15 minutes. Please make sure to comb that color through, because if you don't, it's going to be like a lighter color on the inside of the wig. So just make sure you comb it through. And about 10 minutes in, I went through and I made sure to comb it through again, and then set it for another 5 minutes. So here is the color that I got, this nice burnt orange, I guess that's what I could call it. It would have been great for the fall, but who cares? It's still cute for right now. So now y'all can watch me install my wig for the I don't know how many time. I still get a lot of questions on how I install my wigs. If you guys want like an updated video on how I install my wigs, please let me know. But like I said, people are already coming up to me and asking. So if y'all also want it on my YouTube, please just comment down below and I can get that for y'all. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try.
She should have whipped your ass. Like you ain't shit, but she don't.
Nothing from you to try to play these games. Leave your family in the doorway. And I don't think I'll ever change your ways. Cause I have
Options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? Better last till my body's so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I know, I know, I know you ain't gonna talk alright. I know you ain't gonna talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know that shit, know that shit, know that bitch inside.
this bitch. Got me paying the rent, paying for this. Diamonds on her neck, diamonds on her wrist. And here I am all alone, all alone. I'm so cold, I'm so cold. You got me out here. I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average when you really don't play. All you need, but I was wrong. She was wrong. Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna make it so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it away and say my love that was not the same? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? Throw it away, throw it away. Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Running like you numb, it got me going. You're only about yourself. When I find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you hold me down forever, but you lied to me, lied to me. You gotta be mentally not
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad, you got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else you, nobody else makes you.
And here are the results. I am in love with this color. It's so cute. It's different from me. I'm really trying to get into colors with my wigs and just really perfecting my install. So let me know what y'all think. Comment down below. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be on the lookout for more content that I have. My birthday is coming at the end of the month, so I have that vlog. I got a lot of things coming for y'all this month, so yeah, just stay tuned and I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.